Hi friends, I'm going to show you now how to prepare a delicious tapioca meal in under 5 minutes. You only need 5 items. You need about 100 grams of tapioca, 5 slices of Havarti cheese, about 10 grams of butter, about 50 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, and a little bit of arugula. First, you put the butter in the skillet. You spread the butter evenly in the skillet. And now you add the tapioca, trying to create an even layer of tapioca in the skillet. It's very important to clean and drain all the water from the arugula before adding to the skillet, otherwise may impair the consistency of the tapioca. Then cover for a few minutes. This is to allow the steam that forms to help kill any bacteria that possibly is left on the arugula. Also important to drain all the water from the sun-dried tomatoes. You just have to wait a few minutes now. I'm going to teach you now a very important trick to know when the tapioca is ready. When you look here at the tapioca, you're going to see the borders start lifting. This means the tapioca is ready. So we turn off the range. Now let's remove the tapioca. So first we put it here. See how it looks beautiful. And here it is. Our tapioca meal is ready. It's really delicious. And again, you can prepare it in minutes. You can prepare it for yourself, you can prepare for family members, or you can prepare to try to impress your boyfriend or girlfriend. Hope you like our recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to receive additional videos from our channel.